A+ലേക്കുള്ള വഴി ഇനി തനിയെ തുറക്കാം. Subscribe to the ENCLAPS channel. Ring the bell button and open success. It's that easy.
Welcome to the wonders of living world. Mankind has survived diseases in this world. Identifying pathogenic microorganisms and developing vaccines against them are the milestones in the field of biology.
When the body itself has defense mechanisms to prevent pathogens, why do we take vaccines?
Did you hear the suspicion of the child watching the poster? What is immunization? Defense mechanism becomes low when germs enter the body. This causes the spread and multiplication of germs. Immunization is an artificial method to make the defense cells alert against the attack of pathogens. Vaccines are substances that are used for artificial immunization. Each component, which may be live or dead or neutralized pathogens or neutralized toxins or pathogenic cell components. These act as antigens that stimulate the body's immune system. Antibodies are made in the body against these. These antibodies survive and protect the body from the germs that cause disease in the same future. The vaccine was started by an English doctor named Edward Jenner. He observed that people with cowpox were not affected by smallpox. So he injected an 18-year-old boy with a pus from a cowpox patient. The child was affected with cowpox and was cured. 2 months later, he injected the pus from the smallpox patient into the boy. He was not affected by smallpox. Vaccination is derived from the Latin word called vaxa, which means cow, in the memory of cowpox. Experiments of Jenner. Now let us know the names of some vaccines and the diseases against which they are used.
Vaccine. Diseases. BCG. It stands for Bacillus calmette-guerin. This vaccine is used against tuberculosis. OPV. OPV stands for Oral Polio Vaccine. It is used against poliovirus. Pentavalent. It is used against 5 different diseases: diphtheria, whooping cough or pertussis, tetanus, hepatitis B, Haemophilus influenza type B. MMR. It is used against measles, mumps, rubella. Tetanus toxoid is used against tetanus.
It is well known with the fact that it is better to look after a disease than to treat it. What if you still get sick? Definitely you need to take treatment, right? It can be said that treatment is the last resort. In addition to the modern medicine, many other therapies still exist, like Ayurveda, Unani, Siddha medicine and naturopathy. Ayurveda is the world-famous treatment method that originated in India. If we want our bodies to go healthy and efficient, we must live in harmony with nature. In Ayurveda, plants and animal substances are used as medicine. Therapies have been developed in different parts of the world to suit to the life culture and lifestyle and natural resources available in the area. Siddha medicine or Panchakarma or Unani and naturopathy are all traditional therapies found in this way. The Greek physician Hippocrates laid the foundation for the modern medicine by adopting a method of treatment that was different from the traditional methods of homeopathy. He pioneered the treatment of diseases with the emphasis on the pathogens, diagnosis, and medication. Today, modern medicine have made great strides in the field of medicine. Scientific advances in diagnostic and the discovery of new drugs have been instrumental in the development of modern medicine. Modern medicine uses a variety of tools for diagnosis. Do we have some very familiar tools? What are they? A stethoscope. What is the use of a stethoscope? To measure heart rate. Have you seen a thermometer that is used to measure fever and a sphygmomanometer that is used to measure blood pressure? In addition to these well-known devices, there are some diagnostic tools that are active in the field of health. Let us get acquainted with some of these advanced diagnostic tools and their purposes. Tool usage. Electroencephalogram or EEG. It is used to record electrical waves in the brain. Electrocardiogram or ECG. It is used to record electrical waves in the heart muscle. Ultrasound scanner to understand the structure of the internal organs using ultrasound waves or ultrasonic waves. CT scanner or computed tomography scanner to obtain the 3D images of the internal organs with the help of X-rays and computers. MRI scanner or magnetic resonance imaging scanner to get 3D visuals of internal organs. We all know there are laboratory tests that help in the diagnosis of disease. A blood test is one of the various tests performed in the laboratory for diagnosis. Understanding the differences in the levels of different components in the blood can be very helpful in diagnosing a disease. Advances in technology have shaped particular areas of modern medical treatment. Let us get acquainted with some of the important specializations and the areas in the field of medicine. Specialization, related area. Cardiology, treatment of heart. Ophthalmology, treatment of eyes. Neurology, treatment of nerves. Oncology, cancer treatment. ENT, ear, nose and throat treatment. Modern medicine is constantly evolving based on the research findings and evidence. The growth in this area has helped us to make great strides in diagnosis and treatment. See you again with new knowledge useful in everyday life. Until then, bye.
3 ലക്ഷത്തിലേറെ വരുന്ന ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങൾ ഏറ്റവും കുറഞ്ഞ ചിലവിൽ സ്വന്തമാക്കുവാൻ ഉടൻ തന്നെ ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്യൂ ENCLAPS The Learning App.